Gimars 10-pack 3 inches improved durable screw locking and spring gate D-shape aluminum carabiners clips hook for home, RV, camping, fishing, hiking and traveling. Cost $8.49. Amazon.
www.amazon.com/gp/ref=pp(x_d_f_h_w_h/ref=ps_P_x_1 Color. Gun color snap right back spring gate can close itself for long time use. Improved spring of carabiners and spring-loaded gate allow them to be quickly opened and securely attached to a wide range of fixing points. After long last time use, the spring still could snap right back and close the clip quickly. Improved screw and well-textured smooth surface locks without loosening. Improved deep and strong thread of the screws and well-textured smooth surface enable the carabiner more easier to open and close during cold wet weather. Screws could close tightly without loosening and stable screw locking mechanism would keep your stuff safe. Load rated at 150 pounds without detaching. They could hold about 150 pounds of load as is tested. The carabiners would work perfectly to tie down on tents, pack zippers or work as a handle or hanger around home use, RV or boat, etc. Please notice, the carabiners are not designed for professional climbing, swing, big animal leash etc. Large size and one-hand operation. Each carabiner size is 3.1.5, large and easy to use. With the help of Samrat locking mechanism, you could operate it with one hand only, even your hands are wet and numb or with gloves on, and then free another hand. If you have any issue with the product, we will always ready to help within hours. Gimars 10-pack 3 inches improved durable screw locking and spring gate D-shape aluminum carabiners clips hook for home, RV, camping, fishing, hiking and traveling. Gimars 10-pack 3 inches improved durable screw locking and spring gate D-shape aluminum carabiners clips hook for home, RV, camping, fishing, hiking and traveling. Product details. Color. Gun color. Item weight 7.4 ounces. Shipping weight 9.6 ounces. ASIN B07 DMFJHWH